You know, I'm starting to think that maybe I should call this Brandy's Rant. I was thinking today, just out of the blue, that things are not the way they were in the 80s and the 90s. Nobody is, quote unquote, afraid. And so this disease is starting to slowly pile up in the corners and in dark spaces. I, I have this saying that I say a lot that this is getting swept under the rug. And it is time to clean house. Um, People are expecting so much, but nobody will get out there and do anything. Me included. I'm totally me included. Um, what does that say about those who passed before us, those who died for us, those who tested those medications so that people could live longer? What is that saying to their memory? I mean, what is wrong with us? Why aren't we out there more? I mean, how does anybody expect the few people that are trying so hard to get anything done on their own? I mean, what they are doing and what they've gotten accomplished is awesome, and that's wonderful. But the rest of us who just bitch and complain about it and don't do anything, get up off your ass and get out there. Walk up those steps and say, hey, look at me. This isn't going away. I'm not going away, and we need to do something. I mean, where is that passion? Where is that drive to get this eradicated? Where is that? You know, sometimes I think that maybe having the drugs that help so much is what's killing us. I mean, no, yes, we're living longer and things like that. But our young people, our children go, well, I can just take a pill. I mean, who cares? And but that isn't the way they should be thinking. They should be afraid. They should be careful. And they're not. And whose fault is that? That is our fault. Because we aren't giving our voices the volume it needs to get out there and say, hey, we're still here. And we're still dying. No, we're not dying by the thousands a day, but we are still dying. And we need to get out there and say, hey, this has to stop. And this stops with me. Our children are dying out there, and we are sitting in the corners going, why isn't anybody doing anything? Why isn't anybody helping us? Well, get up off your ass and go do something about it. You know, I don't understand, and I don't understand the way the world is today. Um, we don't do, we're not doing enough. We're not, people are getting tested and then they're automatically coming up with AIDS because they're not getting tested anymore. Because everybody is, nobody thinks it's a big deal anymore. And those that do are too afraid of what others will say. It's just time to clean house, and we need to thoroughly clean. Sweep out from all the corners, from under all the rugs. Sweep it on out and get everybody out in the open and start doing something about this. Quit sitting on the couch going, there needs to be more done, and let's do something. Let's really do something.